I have to say without fear of contradiction that our deputy governor tested of COVID, and it is the disease which took toll on her this morning. And that is why I want to take this opportunity to urge Kenyans to be very, very, very careful with the second wave. It is real. We must not lower the guard. And we take this very, very seriously. It's taken away our deputy governor. And it is not a respecter of persons. This disease is real. We must heed the advice from our president and Ministry of Health.
Condolences on behalf of the people of Kericho on the passing on of our deputy governor. We send our condolences to the family, her friends, and many of the people who knew her in her line of profession. Susan Kikwai is one of our foremost daughters as a people of Kericho. We are proud of her achievements, both as our deputy governor and during the time that she served in the national government, rising through the ranks until I think her top position, where she was a CEO at KenInvest before she went down to Kericho to serve as our deputy governor. So we celebrate the life of Susan. It has come as a shock, but it's a timely reminder to all of us that indeed our time on duty and assignment on this earth is quite short. So on behalf of the people of Kericho, we say pole. I'm sure, like the governor has said, with consultations with the family and they in the county government, we shall be updated on the burial plans so that we give a decent send-off to our deputy governor that we respected, loved, cherished, admired, adored. So many good things can be said about her, but such is life. So just as a final parting shot, as a leader, I still reiterate what has been said by our governor, that let us be strict in the adherence of these COVID protocols. Like you have seen, this wave that we are currently in as a country appears to be perhaps more lethal than the earlier one, where we are losing more people at a very quick rate. So I plead with every citizen of the country, please observe the COVID protocols that have been laid down by the Ministry of Public Health. Thank you.